Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Managi and me. We're here at the train depot here in Oceanside, California. We're actually going down through the tunnel to the other side to get down to the ocean. Saves us a couple blocks walk, although we don't mind walking. Managi likes it for sure. But, hey, down this way, buddy. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Down through, yeah. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that, smash that like button too. It helps us get up in the algorithm of YouTube world. Gets more views and helps us out. And then leave any suggestions down below. Comments on the videos, things like that. Absolutely amazing out here. We're down here in Oceanside, California, down on they call it the Strand. It's kind of a one-way driving area, and people run along here and drive along here. But you can hear the sound of the ocean, I'm sure, which is why we come down here. It's just like a different world. It's so relaxing. You hear the sound of the water and the waves. Nagi enjoys it. I do too. Anyways, we accomplished a lot this week. As I said, I think earlier, is we're getting ready to move to the Philippines, and that's a permanent move for now. Going to try and make it for the next year there and see how that goes, and then go from there. But we've really had a lot of struggles involved with getting all the paperwork done for her and for myself. But that's how anything worthwhile is there's usually some sort of struggle involved to get to the other side of it, and it's been a great experience. We've had to do all her vet stuff. She still has an appointment coming up on the 26th, I believe it is. Or no, actually the 25th is her appointment, and it'll be a final health check. That's right, buddy. We've done all the vaccines are up to date for her. All my vaccines are up to date with the COVID stuff, and I'm gonna be down here at the Nagi. It should hopefully go smoothly right into the country. I have a buddy that I went to high school with, Harps. Man, I appreciate you, if you're watching this video, how much hooking me up with Abby, a woman that he works with in the Philippines, her call center that works in his business, and she has lined me out. She really went to bat to help me find a place where her, Managi, and I could stay for a couple days, just right from the airport. And then that first couple days will be spent with one of her assistants, who'll be driving me around to show me some condos and apartments there in Manila that I could potentially rent for 3 to 6 months while we're applying for our immigration for the retirement visa. But we're excited. I am. Managi's it's gonna be a long flight. We got her doggy diapers. I'll probably show her in those at some point, especially maybe once we're at the airport and stuff. But yeah, it'll be a long trip, but it'll be good that she's at my feet in the plane with me. It'll make it much easier on her and much easier on me. Yeah, so that's what we got going. We got a few more things, things to accomplish, hoops, so to speak, to jump through, but it should go pretty easy and pretty smoothly. I think the worst of it's out of the way, and so we're excited. We're heading that way across the ocean, about 15-hour flight, like I said, and it should be pretty exciting. Hey, how's it going? So, to my friend John, he thought I should do this video. Hey Wagi, what's up, buddy? But it was an unboxing. We just got ourselves a drone. I've been thinking about it for the past year because just the footage and seeing other people's channels and how much nicer their channels are with that drone footage added into their weeklies. There goes Managi right on by. She don't care about no drone. She'll probably be chasing it in the future though. Maybe I can use it to help get her exercise. But I thought I'd unbox this thing. It's a DJI Air 2. Comes in a box, obviously. So open this sucker up. So you get a nice shoulder bagged thing to store everything in. And you got another, says accessories. How about punk rock style? There you go. So you got a manual and a bunch of extra propellers. See these? Each individually wrapped propellers. I think there is just one propeller per pack. Some sort of USB cables. Another USB-C to USB cable. Some little, they might be remote control handles for the controller. And then this here, I'm not really sure what this is. I wear my glasses so I don't break something and open it the wrong way. This is, oh, these are for the lens of the drone on the camera part, and they're different filters, dark filters. So for really sunny days, that's kind of cool. Quick start guide. And then here, let's dive into this bag here. It's kind of vinyl-y, water resistant material, which is good. So we got the drone here. It's got a cover over the gimbal, which is kind of cool. And these things pop out. Oh, we don't want to. There we go. They're probably little feet. Anyway, so that's the drone. It's a Mavic, DJI Mavic 2S. 2S, I think is what it's called. And then we've got, what else? A whole bunch of goodies. Oh, extra battery, and then there's one battery on it. So 3 batteries, and each battery is about 30-minute flight time. So it'll be more than enough to capture some nice videos. Charger for the batteries, plug-in for the charger. All sorts of little goodies. Battery charger, so that plugs in and then the batteries sit in that. And what else here? Lots of plastic. Thank you, China. Oh, a 3-way battery charger. That's cool. So get all your batteries at once. And then this would be the controller. So this holds your telephone, your smartphone, and it hooks in. It has little plugs here so that you have a video of the movement, and then you have the little controllers, and then they've got the little controller arms here too, and so we got an extra set of those. But yeah, pretty cool. So we got a lot to learn. And hopefully not crash it in that time, but a cool little thing. It's got a lot of pad in there and everything to protect it all. So not a bad deal, but yeah, we're planning on upping our game with our YouTube videos, because we've been doing it for over a year now, and it's not embarrassing because you got to learn somehow, but definitely have been watching other people's channels and having the drone footage, and especially since we're moving to the Philippines, and the landscape there is going to be absolutely amazing, and the ocean and all that stuff. So just to be able to cover more area, and even to find our way into places that we wouldn't normally be able to, we can use the drone for doing that kind of an aerial reconnaissance if it were. But yeah, that's it. We're upping our game. So